Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. Rule number 32 of Spoken English. Pause. Pause is a gap of time. Pause given for the better understanding of the listeners. A pause will tell about the importance of grouping some words. It is noted with a slash. 2 slashes are used in the beginning and ending of a passage. Please listen very carefully how I read this short passage. Jawaharlal Nehru, the freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of India, and a dream of making a modern India much advanced in agriculture, science and industry. You can see here Jawaharlal Nehru, a pause is given, and to explain who he was, we give a pause here. He was the freedom fighter, one thing, and the first Prime Minister, another thing about him. For which country of India, OF off is pronounced as off. Add in the place of had, add. And a dream. What dream? Of making a modern India much advanced in agriculture, science and industry. So you can understand the purpose of using a pause in between certain words to have the better understanding of the listeners. Again I read, please listen it carefully and practice it. By taking certain passage, practice by giving the stress and pause to make your speech perfect. Jawaharlal Nehru, the freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of India, had a dream of making a modern India much advanced in agriculture, science and industry. Please note a point. The name of our country, India, 99% of us make a mistake in it. It is not India. India. No. Please don't pronounce it as India. Many people make this mistake. Int here is the correct pronunciation for the name of our country. Now, see a fun. To prove the importance of this pause, leave him, not kill him. Leave him, not kill him. If the pause is given after not, the fellow loses his life. Leave him not, kill him. So, with a single pause, the life of a person is dependable. So, pause is a very important technique to make the listener or the reader understand what we write or what we say. There are so many examples, very funny examples for this pause, which will be given in the next part. Rule number 32 is continued. Sometimes the pause will play an important role to understand the meaning. See, there are two examples. Visiting professor is tedious. It means the professor who visits many colleges becomes tired. Visiting professor. So here the word visiting is used as an adjective for the word professor. So the professor who is visiting many colleges becomes tired, is tedious. But if you take the pause here, after the word visiting, if you put a pause, it will give another meaning. Visiting professors is tedious. That is the meaning. Some students of the college will become tired to get an explanation or a doubt clearing from the professors. The professors will come and meet me in my room. Again, oh, I forgot. Please meet me in the afternoon. I will take the book for reference. Like this, going to the professors for getting a doubt cleared is a tiresome work. So when you take visiting as a separate unit, that is act of visiting, visiting professor is tedious. So the pause plays an important role to give the difference. See here, flying plane is risky. So here it means the aeroplane which is flying may crash, may fall down. So the plane which is flying now is risky. It denotes the aeroplane. But here flying plane is risky. If the gap or this pause is given after flying, the meaning will be different. That is, the act of flying the plane. Flying the plane means the job, the act of flying the plane is risky. So, therefore, with a pause, the meaning differs from sentence to sentence. Same words are used, but because of the pause, the meaning becomes different. Thank you.